Independence Day, 2nd September 1945. The founder, Vietnam was founded.
Oh, grabe ang pila.
On the left, see that is the Parliament building. Yeah. And Ho Chi Minh Memorial, the line still long there, right?
The paintings in Vietnam. This one is very popular here. It's a national art, and we have many artists. They were from the first village that make the lacquer painting in Vietnam. And you know, lacquer is from the lacquer tree here. This is a lacquer tree. When I cut on the, so you have black lacquer for the black and white painting, or the transparent lacquer for the colorful painting. And there are two steps to make it. The first decoration. We have three types of decoration. We have the painting, the seashell, and the eggshell. The egg. This is a finished one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ah, ito parang ano. Ito
Takes
magas.
2 months
Magas.
to finish one painting.
Magaspang.
Ito yung pinaka-final yun.
Ito yung parang...
This is the blue here. It's a normal blue but mixed with lacquer. And the eggshell here is just ordinary duck egg, not chicken.
Ah,
Duck egg thicker, whiter.
yan pala
than chicken egg.
yun. Yung Matilda, kay Bayin ka o dinama ko. Ang galing niya, oh.
How long have you guys been here?
Ah. Ooh, ganda.
Oh wait, let me show.
Ah, doon daw muna. Ang ganda.
For example,
Ano? Yung mga baby, oh, ang cute nila. Kita yan, Day. So, nandito kami, guys, sa ano ba to? Museum. Yan, mga cute.
Ako naghira kapag pinakalin niya. Pero talaga ng mga babies yun.
Oo. Kakit to Manila.
Welcome to our tribe. G-R, or that look, G-R-I-B-E.
Ito yung ano nila, guys. Yung mga ano nila, oh. Ng unang panahon. Ito yung parang puppet show na... Ha? Dahil ito yung puppet show na pinanood natin kagabi, oh. This one, oh. Hello. Ha? Hello. Ito dayo yung puppet show kagabi. Ito yung mga unang panahon na ginagamit nila. Yan. Tapos, eto naman, yung nagbabike siya dyan. Ayan. Hi guys! Nandito kami sa museum right now, guys. So, ito yung mga ano nila dito. So, ayan. Parang tradition, this is the tradition ng ano nila pag may patay sila, ayan. Ah, ganito yung ginagawa nila, oh. Ano to? bahay nila. Ha?